In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Google account from Chrome. If you're on a computer, whether it's Windows or Mac, the process is quick and the options are flexible. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways and explain what each one does so you can choose the best fit for your situation. First, you can sign out of your Chrome account directly. Open Google Chrome, then look at the top right corner for your profile icon, the circular picture or initial. Click it and choose Sign out of Chrome. This immediately disconnects your Google account from the browser and stops syncing your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history to and from your Google account. It's a good choice if you're on a shared or public computer, or you just want Chrome to stop saving new changes to your Google account. Keep in mind, this doesn't automatically sign you out of individual Google sites you might already have open, like Gmail or YouTube. If you prefer, you can turn off sync, which has the same result in practice. Click the profile icon at the top right, select Sync is on, and then click Turn Off. Turning off sync disconnects your Google account from Chrome on that device, just like signing out. It's a straightforward way to pause syncing without digging through settings. Again, this stops new data from syncing, but anything already on the device, like saved bookmarks or passwords, may remain there unless you remove it later. The third option is to sign out from Google services themselves. Go to any Google site such as Gmail, click your profile icon on the page, and choose Sign Out. This logs you out of your Google accounts within that browser session for Google websites. It's handy when you just want to leave Gmail or Drive without changing your Chrome sign-in. Note that this doesn't sign you out of the Chrome browser itself. If you want Chrome to stop syncing, use one of the first 2 methods. A few important tips before we wrap up. Logging out or turning off sync stops future syncing of bookmarks, passwords, and history, but your existing data might still be stored on that device. If you're on a shared computer and want to clean up, consider clearing your browsing data or removing the Chrome profile afterward. And when you sign back in later, Chrome will ask if you want to turn sync on again. Only enable it if you're comfortable syncing on that device. Choose the method that matches your goal, and you'll be signed out safely and quickly.